Oh wait, there's new items. This, now this.
It's a beautiful day.
This, I need that. I need that.
Sunshine. Thank you for
Gloves. How much are the gloves? 3,000. Jesus.
Thank you for me being.
Thank you for giving me the ability to kill furries. You know, thank you for playing. Thank you. It's a beautiful
Okay,
day. Hey. Hi, everyone.
Oh, but that just looks
Why
like.
won't you
Wait a minute.
adopt me? I'm not gonna say
Follow
it.
my finger.
It's
Follow my
because
finger.
you're
It's
black.
right here.
Hey, Black Monkey, be honest with me. Be honest with me. Am I fat?
From like the How to Train Your
No,
Dragon.
you look beautiful.
Thank you. I love your eyes.
You're the fattest pig ever.
I hope your grandma's grandmother fell down the stairs when you were young.
Black, I said turn around.
No, I hope your grandma's grandpa got tagged in a game of Gorilla Tag. What the? What in the?
Your turn, Yellow.
No, please, please. I didn't mean it.
This
I don't
time
want
you
any.
need to go in the corner like this.
No, no, not the corner, not the corner, please. Please, please. Okay, please, please.
You know what you have to do.
Sad. Please, no more, no more. How did you know?
Mac and cheese earlier today?
It was the Cheetos one.
You serious, my brother?
Do it to him! Do it to him! Look, he's praying to Jesus. I know he's praying to Jesus. But like, he's wide open. Jesus Christ, you're an animal! Oh, no. I see you in there, Purple. Where you going? Bah, bah, bah. You're mine. Bah, 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 bah. Don't you ever try and run away from me ever again. There you are. Purple, you thought you can run away from me? What is this? What is this? Is this your hood? Get out! Get out! Oh, Jesus, no! No!
Come over here.
What? What? No, no, no! Oh. Don't worry, I gotta kiss him like Spider-Man and Mary Jane. Oh. Alright, you're back to life now.
No, cause you enjoy that. Leave me alone. You wasn't gonna enjoy that.
Is that a boss?
Who said you can come back to life? Yo. Yeah. Better die.
You know, I'm on the ground after Xanax and Perkies. I need me a pick-me. I got so drunk last night, bro, no had to come pick me up. Yeah,